Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Here we are going to see a term called Inventory Effectiveness Index. This is used to measure inventory effectiveness, total the product inventory in equivalent units and dollar in any of the 7 category which comes next, or any other similar category that would make sense to the business, including, for example, damaged product not fit for use due to material handling, storage, etc. Next category could be recall, material suspected to be out of specification. Next, rework category, material partially defective yet repairable. Next category, outdated product behind its date of expiration, may still function but can be shipped only in specific cases. Short dated product soon to reach expiration, may soon become outdated. Obsolete product superseded by the new product, last year's style, model, etc. Non-moving product with very minimal order demand for a period significant to business. Then express the drag inventory as a ratio of total inventory and subtract the ratio from as shown below. For example, inventory effectiveness index is equal to 1 minus drag inventory divided by total inventory. This measurement gives a simple overall view of inventory working for a business. Published list of drag inventory can then be used to drive action plan to reduce it to zero. It becomes especially effective when this drag inventory is expressed in the language of management, for example in dollar. Eliminating the drag dramatically increases the velocity of inventory and improves the inventory turnover ratio. Measuring inventory effectiveness focuses attention on the waste inherent in the system. Removing this waste increases competitiveness and lowers the cost. The inventory effectiveness index provides a simple tool for identifying areas of potential improvement in the business related to physical nature of inventory. These physical reminders of what has gone wrong can easily be measured and can be easily understood by all levels of management. The simple nature of index makes it easy to customize, which renders it all more useful. Here, if you are wondering what exactly we are trying to subtract out is a non-moving inventory. The reasons for non-moving can be anything which we have discussed here. So you have to minimize such category of non-moving inventory so that you can improve the inventory effectiveness index. Thanks for watching. Bye.